Hello all, Ankit this side. In this video, we are going to learn about how to install Git in your Windows 10 machine. So first of all, you need to go to Google and just search download Git. And the first website which you are getting here, click on that. Here I'm getting the Windows option. Click on that. And as per your system requirement, it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Click on that. I'm using 64-bit, so I've clicked there. And here system is start downloading the Git. It's a very small software with the size of 58.0 MB. It will just take few more seconds to download. Once it is downloaded, then we are going to learn about how to install. Still taking more time. Yeah. Now click on show in folder. Double click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. Next. No need to do anything. Just click on next, next, next. Install. So just click on next, next, next. And in the end, you need to click on install to install the Git. This will take some time. Still in process. So just take few more seconds. So uncheck this view release notes, click on finish. So we are able to install. How we can validate? Just in your Windows machine, right click anywhere. And here I'm able to see open Git bash. So it means we are able to install Git. And you can click here. And here we are able to see the Git notes. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.